Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to another video and a grand welcome to all of you guys. And in this video, we're gonna watch Tornado Nähe Schwechat. There was a tornado in Norway, I guess, probably on 10/7/2017, and they captured that swirl. I do wanna see the tornado thing. So let's jump into this video, folks. Wow. Wow. It just eats whatever it comes in its way. I know that. Oh, is it going up? Wow. See the air. Wow, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, but it's scary. People who are watching it, from a very closely, or from a short distance, then it should be very scary. The air blowing, or Alright, guys, that's all for this video, and yeah, see you in the next video. Until then, keep frying the potatoes, peace.